Hey guys, we are here at Cabana Bay Beach Resort of Universal Studios Orlando and Islands of Adventure. If you are new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notifications so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Now I wanted to go ahead and give you a tour of our room. The room that we actually got for this particular trip is a pool view, and man did we get an awesome view. Check this out. I mean, how spectacular is that? That is an amazing view. I love that. So right there, obviously, that's the pool. But then on the far side of it is the lazy river. And that is so much fun. We actually took some time and bought some of their inner tube rafts that they had and floated around in the lazy river. That was a blast. We had so much fun doing that. But not only do they have the pool and the lazy river, but they also have an incredible beach area. Look at this. I mean, that's so nice. Clear back there, that would be where you actually go into, like the cafeteria dining area and stuff. There's also some tables back there with umbrellas, so you can just sit outside but be super comfortable out of the heat of the sun. But this is so phenomenal. I just can't get over how amazing this truly is. I mean, what a view. Cabana Bay is considered to be a value resort. So the price to stay here, the price point is unbelievable. You can stay for quite a little distance of time versus staying in one of the deluxe resorts, obviously. But they have so much to offer here, it blows my mind. They have a bowling alley, they've got Starbucks, the cafeteria is incredible. Obviously the pool, the lazy river, Volcano Bay is adjacent. So you can literally just walk right over to Volcano Bay if you're intending on doing that as part of your trip. They've got a great gift shop. The busing here is superb. Superior busing. I love the busing at Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure Resorts. Amazing. But check out this room. This room is really nice. Our room is 4644. We're on the 6th floor. So the view, I really wanted to be up high so that we could see things. But not only can we see the pool and lazy river, but we can also see the major rides of the park. Check this out. I liked our view before, but this view, man, that's Velocicoaster there on the left. And then you have Rip Ride Rocket is the yellow and red one. And Rip Ride has one going up right now, and Velocicoaster has one going over the peak. And then the green one on the right, that is actually Hulk. I'm trying not to zoom in too much because I want to have a good quality for you to actually see it. There goes Hulk. Somebody's going around the curly Q on Hulk. And then, of course, somebody going around on Rip Ride Rocket. Amazing, amazing view. I absolutely love this. But let's check out this room so that you know what to expect when you're staying here at Cabana Bay. So the beds are super comfortable. Really incredible. We have no problem sleeping here. You're going to get a good night's sleep. And of course they have the nice TV that has some of their channels on it, so you can check and see exactly what's going on in the parks and everything. Get an idea of what it is that you want to see and do while you're here. We typically leave the TV off, but for informational purposes, it's pretty handy to have. They have the Cuisinart pod style machine here in the room, and they refill it as you need it, or you can call down or ask for additional. And then we typically bring in a few extras. I'm kind of hiding it behind the TV here, but we bring in our own creamers and things like that, some extra silverware, so that we have things available and we don't have to necessarily go looking for it. The storage space is not too bad at all. It depends on how big your family is, what your needs are, but there's quite a bit of room in there. And then, of course, the refrigerator. It's a tiny one, but more than enough. We always bring things back to the room, so we've got a snack for later, maybe keep us from munching on chips. They've got this nice seating area, and of course they've got an ice bucket, but we bring an apple cutter and some fruit up so that we've got a nice healthy snack. Now, one of the things I love about Cabana Bay is, look at this, literally ceiling to floor windows. I mean, that is the best view ever. And of course, you've already seen how phenomenal that pool view is. I can't get over it. The bathroom area is actually pretty decent size. They have a separate area with the sink, and then they have the water closet that has the tub and shower enclosure and the stool. Since we are staying here for a few days, we got quite a bit of supplies going on, and I'm a little bit OCD, so everything is set up perfectly. Nice mirror. Hello. And the storage is pretty good. Once again, I like everything to be nice and tidy and organized. I don't want to see a mess. And then of course you've got the water closet here. It's pretty nice. And they give you VO5 and Zest, old school, because it's based on kind of like a 50s, 60s motif. One thing I do is bring a suction cup mirror from home. They don't have one of the zoom mirrors, and as somebody who does either contacts or makeup, it's kind of a necessity to have that zoom mirror. So for me, I just put a suction cup mirror inside of my suitcase and carry it along. I knew that originally, so not a problem. Of course, they have the blow dryer. Of course, this closet area right off the entry, it has a safe. It's a fairly small one, but it's big enough for most anything that you really need to worry about. Maybe just a jewelry or wallet or something like that. Then they've got a luggage rack and an iron and ironing board. So there's the wall safe. Not huge, but plenty big enough. You've got your iron, luggage rack, got the ironing board back there. We've got a few things hung up. And of course, a few hangers so that you can keep things organized and tidy. Overall, Cabana Bay Beach Resort of Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, Orlando, Florida, huge win. We love this place. We've stayed here more than once, so apparently we must really like it. The price point is phenomenal, and it's a similar feel to the value resorts at Disney World. If you're familiar with Pop Century at Disney World, it has a similar vibe to that, although the rooms are larger and they have quite a bit more amenities, and the price point is way less than Pop Century. And I love Pop Century. All of you guys know I love Pop Century. I'm definitely not saying anything negative about it because it's one of my absolute favorite resorts ever. But at the same time, the truth is the truth. But this place, yes, definite yes. If you are looking for a great place to stay at a great price, this is it. Cabana Bay Beach Resort of Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure, Orlando, Florida. If you are new to this channel, please hit that like and subscribe and ring bell notification so you don't miss out on the latest and greatest. Also, please don't forget to check out some of our other great videos we have on the parks, the rides, resorts, resort rooms, Skyliner rides, day trips, car shows, outdoor pizza oven videos, Disney World, Universal Studios, and Islands of Adventure, Orlando, Florida. Thank you so much for watching.